Hello everyone, my name is Deidre and this is E-Prime. Dancehall artist Skillibeng has been nominated for 2 awards at the upcoming Music of Black Origin MOBA Awards 25th celebration. Skilly has secured nominations for Best International Act and Best Caribbean Music Act at this year's show. He is the only Jamaican nominated for Best International Act among Beyonce, Burna Boy, Chris Brown, Drake, Jack Harlow, Jasmine Sullivan, Kendrick Lamar, Summer Walker, and Thames. He will challenge his Jamaican peers Coffee, Popcorn, Sean Paul, Shensia, and Spice for the title of Best Caribbean Music Act. The MOBA Awards is an annual British Music Award presentation honoring achievements in music of black origin, including hip-hop, grime, UK drill, R&B soul, reggae, jazz, gospel, and African music. The MOBA Awards was launched back in 1996 by its founder, Kanye King. The award show is set for the end of this month. Dancehall artist G-Wiz is now winning with his latest video collaboration on Vibe with King of Dancehall, Beenie Man. Released over the weekend, the Vibe is described as an up-tempo single and is the 3rd video release from the latest project, Winning. Winning is a 16-track album which was released earlier this year and features artists such as Tessie Royal, Ikea, Julian Marley, and of course Beanie. In an interview with E-Prime, G-Wiz shared what it was like working with the King of Dancehall.
Yeah man, recording with Beenie Man, Mr. Zagazao, King of Dancehall, was a great vibe. We actually recorded the song at Beenie Man's studio. So it's not like me record my part sent to him record theme part sent to me. No, it was G-Wiz and Beenie Man in studio at the same time. And Beenie Man write theme verse on spot and record, you see it. So when it was time to do the video, you know, Beenie Man riding on the 3-wheel bike. You don't know, he came to the video shoot with a great vibe. Yes, so it's all about the G-Wiz album, Just Winning. You know what I mean? We released this album February of this year, 2022. And even before they came in with the ban for certain type of music, this album is ban-proof.
Now onto the international scene, it's Wakanda Forever. Black Panther Wakanda Forever sent its worldwide ratings well past the US 500 million mark, with an estimated 546.3 million through Sunday. The split is 288 million in the United States and 258.3 million from international box office sales. The film made an estimated 6